Morning all, welcome to Scott Rods. Right, it's a wee bit chilly today. I mean, it's not like cold, but I'm still wearing shorts and t-shirt. So, you know what warms you up? Exercise. I don't exercise, but I tell you what, it's a form of exercise. Running about tidying up my disgusting garage. Oh my goodness, I don't have a workbench anymore. So I will quickly, well, when I say quickly, it'll be quick for you, tidy up, and then I'll show you what I'm doing today. Okay, back in a bit. There, isn't that better? Even swept the floor, wow. Great thing about tidying up, you find stuff that you lost months ago. So I found a little grub screw for the steering U-joint, which I thought was gone forever. Anyway, so we can continue working today. Right, here's the thing, right, I've got a really bad memory. So I've come up with an idea to remember certain things. Right, here's my plan, you guys have been amazing and been sending me stuff for the project and tools and all sorts of stuff. It's really been great. Obviously feeling sorry for me because I'm so poor. I'm not so much poor, we just pay the bills and then whatever's left I can spend on the car, right? So this is actually the first thing anyone sent, and it was from Jeff, and he sent me a pack of these grinding wheels, very smooth. So my plan is I'm going to write their name or your name on the parts that I get, and then I'll remember this pen's garbage. So if I write everyone's name, okay, Jeff, right, and then I won't forget. So these were from Glenn. These were from Simon the man. This was from Cam. This is all feeling very, very familiar. Jimmy. Definitely reminded me of something. What was it? Brent. And there is more, but this is all I can find at the moment. And this was a good friend of me. You got a friend in me. God, what was it? Woo! No. Right, let us see what we're doing. Let's have a look at the list. I really want to score off the lights, but I've not got the front finished yet. Oh, we can certainly score that off. Just needs a bit of adjustment. Tell you what, I'll put a T for tweak if it needs a bit of tweaking. Right, okay, doors and locks, they're pretty much done. I'm going to score that off with a T for tweaking. Battery clamp, gotta get that done. That's an easy one. Score that off now. That's definitely done. Still not done that front control arm. Just a pain. I need a shop press for that, and I don't know anyone with one. The whole front end to attach properly. Running boards. Interesting. Seats bolted. I'm not doing the seats bolting down until the floor's all done. Light brackets. Oh yeah, I've done them. They are done. And the glass. So we're getting closer. So now I need to decide what I'm doing today. So on yesterday's video, Glenn pointed out that this light was flickering. I did notice that, and I thought I'd maybe snagged one of the wires with, you know, when I put the seat back in, because the wires are just kind of sitting loose on the floor. But Glenn suggested it was a bad earth, and I thought no, but no, Glenn, you were right. It was a bad earth. So what I'll probably do, because this is, the light itself is earthed through the body, through there, so it's all reliant on all the bolts that are going through, and they're not in the best of condition. So what I'll probably do is I'll run a permanent earth wire from the body all the way through there, and might just earth it straight to the battery because the battery's right there. So thanks Glenn, good catch, and that should hopefully solve the problem. Don't know if I'm going to do that today. I've got a lot of electrical stuff to do and I might do it all at the same time. Anyway, thanks Glenn. So I can't actually decide what I want to do today. I would love to get these running boards up. As you can see, they are sitting almost 2 inches too low. And it's reliant, sorry, that fender is reliant on that being at the right height. As you can see, it's sitting far too low. It should be almost level with the bottom of that panel there. That's a big job, however, because I need to obviously grind these down, make them look nice, make them look straight, weld up cracks, add an extension. That should actually go all the way to there. I do have another board that I got from Ted, so I need to decide which one's the best, or if I have to make a good one between the two. The other thing I'm considering doing today, which is far easier, is to remove that panel there and reshape it, add a bit of steel to the end and tack it back on. Well, grind it all down so that it's the same as the body, tack it back on, and then at least the back end looks similar. I noticed that this here, this is obviously meant to be there, and I'm presuming that's for the brackets to come out to hold the rear bumper on. I don't have a bumper yet, so should I leave that hole and obviously make another hole over there where there's a big gap, or do I just fill it for now and then just drill a hole when it's bumper time? I can't decide. I mean, it's Saturday, you know, I'd like an easy day, maybe actually spend some time with my wife, and it's, as you can see, it's a gorgeous day. So it'd be nice to go for a wee drive in the truck and just chill. So I need to do the easiest of the two options, I think. Right, I'm going for the easiest option. I'm going to do that panel there. However, it's such a lovely day, it'd be a shame not to be working out in the sun. So I'm just going to shuggle the car about and reverse it over to that spot there so that I can get a bit of heat in my back while I'm working. Okay, I've beaten this as best I can back into shape. It's never going to be perfect, but that's okay. So I will now stitch this back on. I had to straighten this section out as well, it was bent away in. So that'll go a bit there. Clamp it, stitch it, and I thought it's easier to attach the extra bit at the end once it's actually on the car, because then I've got a better idea where it's supposed to go. So, I think I've got enough welding gas left to do this. So you probably guessed by now, I'm not a big body guy. I'll show you what I've done anyway. So as you saw, I took that panel off, reshaped it a bit, cleaned it up, stuck it back on. That's the little panel I made. That'll do. I ran into a bit of an issue there because there's lots of lead coming down there, and lead just dissolves when you try to weld near it. So that's a bit of a disaster. But the rest of the car's the same, so it doesn't really matter. And once the bumper's over there, you won't even know. So that's what I did today. Well, that's me done my little bit for the day. I'm relatively pleased with that. So I'm going to go in, have some dinner, chill, watch TV, and dream of what I'm doing tomorrow. Right folks, I will leave it there for now. Please tune in tomorrow for more nonsense. Don't think I'm taking a day off, but you never know. Right, please subscribe if you've not already. And take care everyone. Bye bye.